Hello there, my friends. So I am trying to print this document for a client, and what we're going to do is we're going to lay it out and do some things, rearrange some things. Anyway, I want to print on only one side of the page. Now, I've had this printer set up to print both sides of a document. So how do I change that? Where's the setting for that? So, all right, when you're ready to print, hit print, okay? And then down here it says pages per sheet. You would think it would be that. That's not true. That's a red herring. Okay. I'm going to print pages 1 through 6 to start, just to make sure that I'm not printing on both sides of the page. Go up to properties, click properties, and then here it says layout, right? So right here it says orientation. This is where you can change it from portrait to landscape. I want portrait, which is basically long ways, right? So landscape, you would print, more of a horizontal. And then here it says print on both sides, flip long edge. So if you wanted to turn it like the pages in a book, you would pick flip long edge and you'd print on both sides. If you print short edge, then it would be like more like you had it on a tablet, like a notebook or something of that nature, like a steno pad. But I want none, so hit none, and then it'll print one page at a time. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's hit OK and print, and that's how you do that. So hope you guys have a great one. I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like, and if you have any questions, see you on the next one. Please put the comments below, the questions below. Thanks.